One of the awesome things about Wiz Write and the way that we designed it was we wanted people to be able to take advantage of the productivity benefits that a tool like Wiz Write brings, both on their desktop computer and also on their mobile phone. So we designed Wiz Write to be fully mobile responsive. So when you open it on your phone, you have exactly the same experience that you have when using it on a desktop computer. In this demonstration, we'll go through a process of creating a task for your team and being able to share that with them. So let's get into it. One of the great things about Wiz Write is it was made to be used on mobile just as well as it is working on a desktop. When you load up the app on your mobile phone in any browser, it works in just the same way. The app is fully mobile responsive, so I can see my favorites, I can see all the folders and my previous transcriptions, and if I want to create something new, I can do so from exactly the same way that I do on desktop. For this brief demonstration, let's use a auto AI action and let's use the task description. This can be great if you're on the train or on the move and you can think of a task that you want to give to your team and you want to write it up clearly just from the power of your voice. So we're going to hit save on this, and then all we have to do to make this work is use this blue button. Once I hit this blue button, I will be able to talk, and it is going to then take that transcription of what I say and turn it into a beautiful task description that I can then share with my team. So let's get into that and let's do that now. I need to use Wiz Write and I need a flow so that we are sending emails to new users, onboarding them. So we need a sequence of emails that goes to new users, letting them know about the best features of the application. Secondly, if we have signups and a user does not subscribe to a plan or they do not sign up for a trial, we should send a series of emails telling them about the product and urging them to sign up for a plan to try it out, because there's no better way to experience Wiz Write than trying it out yourself. So both these email sequences need to be created and we need to then hook them up so that they happen based on the activity of a user within the application. Thank you. So you'll see there, I just provided a minute's worth of talking about some various tasks, and then we are going to get some outputs here. You'll see within this transcript, because it doesn't know what Wiz Write is and this wasn't specifically written in the custom AI action, I could then fix this up in the post-processing. So this is a good example of showing what I could do to fix this up after the fact. So you'll see that it's provided a task description, which is pretty great. But what I can do is I can come in to this transcript, I can hit this edit, and then I can change the way that I say Wiz Write. So we have Wiz Write there, and we also have it written here. So by changing that within the transcription, I then hit save on that, it then fixes that up. So what I could do now is I could hit the re-roll button, which is going to run the same task description again. Let me show you that now. By clicking here, you'll see that it is now processing and it's going to provide me a new task description, and you'll notice that it will mention Wiz Write correctly based on the updated transcripts. So you see we have Wiz Write application and we have the task created there successfully. Alternatively, I could go to AI actions, I could hit task description again, and I could hit run AI actions, and that is going to have the same effect. It's going to rerun this task description, and it's going to show me that output. Now, through the integrations that we have within Wiz Write, and if I had set something up, what I could do is I could then go for the webhook and I could say, okay, send to Discord. I could say, okay, I can input the channel name, put an emoji on it, put my sender name, and trigger that webhook. If I had a team Discord, then this would go automatically to those. Alternatively, if I'm using a task management tool, then I could trigger a webhook to create a task directly in that tool. So this is really the power of Wiz Write, and it's all about making things simple to use both on your desktop and also on the go. I hope this demonstration has been useful and shows you how simple Wiz Write is to use on your phone. So there we have it. If you are interested in being more productive, being able to create awesome content on the go or at your desktop computer, then Wiz Write is a really awesome tool for you. We've made it to be super simple to use, and we've also made it so you are able to extend it via webhooks or our Zapier integration. We're working on even more integrations in the future, which we're very excited about. If this is a tool that sounds like something that you could benefit from, feel free to sign up today at wizwrite.io. We'd love to help you out and make you more productive across your organization and across your whole business if you are interested in Wiz Write for Teams. Thank you.